United States of America cannot put sanction over India. Why? Because the reasons are: first, US cannot afford sanction over India because the current US-China ties. Ironically, the US wants India to play the role that China did for the Soviet Union. China under Xi Jinping is a second largest economy in the world. Its military modernization is complete, and a newly confident China is ready to challenge US dominance in the world. China has also progressed rapidly in technology and in challenging the US in artificial intelligence. All this has rattled the US and has made it determined and challenge its unfair, aggressive moves across Asia. Second, the US has spent more than 2 decades cultivating closer ties with India. According to source, India has diversified its defense sourcing, and a large number of American systems are also in service with the Indian forces, several in pipeline. The big ticket defense deals that the US is eyeing, including the nearly $3 billion deals for armed drones and new fighter jet for both the Indian Air Force and the Navy. Between 2011 and 15 and 16 to 20, India's arms imports saw a 33% drop, with sales from Russia hit the hardest. Friends, third, India is plainly cooperating with the US on other security matters. One of the key conditions for the sanction waiver. As a member of a Quad along with the US, Japan and Australia, India is contributing to efforts to manufacture COVID-19 vaccines, secure critical supply chains, and maintain a free and open Indo-Pacific region. It has also been conducting more military exercise with the US and the allies. Fourth, there have been deals worth $20 billion between New Delhi and Washington in the last decade. The latest deal includes the procurement of 24 MH-60 Romeo helicopters by India for a reported $2.2 billion, a contract to purchase an additional 6 H-64E Apache helicopter at a cost of $800 million has also been finalized. India also largest operator of Boeing P-8 submarine hunter aircraft. Besides, major arms companies such as Lockheed Martin and Boeing have already started working as partners with Indian majors such as Tata and Mahindra in joint production of arms in India. Fifth, comprising Japan, India, Australia and the USA, is a grouping of 4 countries. In November 2017, the 4 countries gave shape to the long-pending proposal of setting up Quad to develop a new strategy to keep the critical sea routes in the Indo-Pacific free of any influences.